911.
Hi, my little brother is having a manic episode. He has tried to stab me with a knife. I don't know where he is. We're at 1277 Spring Creek Drive. He's somewhere in the lot, and I don't know where he is. I'm bleeding a little bit. I think 1277. I'm so sorry. I don't know off the top of my head. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get away from it.
Okay, that's fine. You keep moving so much, so. I'm
not. It's like a light cut. I'm not that bad. I really need to get away.
Okay. He did stab you with a knife, though?
He has cut me and put it up to my neck and shit like that. I had to stop him from stabbing me. I only got cut a little bit on my hand from stopping that.
Okay,
he has been, apparently, I took away ether or something. He's like huffing something. I don't know what it is. I have it in a bag in my part of the apartment. I am so sorry. I'm really freaked out right now.
No, that's fine. I'm just trying to get where you are. That's it.
Okay.
I'll be over on Spring Creek Drive. Is that right?
Yeah, it's like an apartment complex in Bellevue, Tennessee.
Hey, what is it? 1276? Yeah. It's this one right here.
Metro Police!
Here's the 1276 or 1277.
Should we verify that?
21 Charles to 20 Boy. Can you reconfirm the apartment number?
Hey, Polly!
Oh, fuck, man.
Number 781, we got two suspects outstanding.
It's maybe up above one.
Sorry.
I'm on the backside of this yellow building right here. Hey, police! Man, I don't know where Sonny's at.
Hey!
Shots fired! Drop the knife!
I'm getting good, alright? Y'all got him? I'm getting good.
911.
My little brother is having a manic episode. He is trying to stab me with a knife. I don't know where he is. We're at 1277 Spring Creek Drive. He's somewhere in the lot, and I don't know where he is. I'm bleeding a little bit. I think 1277. I'm so sorry. I don't know off the top of my head.
I'm good, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to get away from it.
Okay, that's why you keep moving so much. Alright, so I'm
not, it's like a light cut. I'm not that bad. I really need to get away.
I'm good, bro. You good? You good? I'm good.
Okay.
He went for the gun.
He did stab you with a knife, though?
He has cut me and put it up to my neck and shit like that. I had to stop him from stabbing me. I only got cut a little bit on my hand from stopping that.
Hey, you got two more!
He has been, apparently, I took away ether or something. He's like cupping something, I don't know what it is. I have it in a bag in my part of the apartment. I am so sorry, I am really freaked out right now.
No, that's fine. I'm just trying to get where you are, that's it.
Okay.
Have you ever on Spring Creek Drive, is that right?
Yeah, it's like an apartment complex in Bellevue, Tennessee.
Echo 791. We had one.
Hey, where's it? 1276? It's this one right here.
The other one hopped the fence and ran into the alley. Look! One all black, 10 mil, mask. The other one that ran through the west alley is gonna have green on.
Hey, you need to go right here? I'm trying to see you on this guy, alright?
Alright. Look, bro, as soon as I went that way.
You want an airhorn available? K9, please.
Keep breathing a little bit.
Echo 791, just be advised. We need the fire area. We have one suspect down.
Alright, 723 we got. CP on progress.
Hey, bro, I'm gonna secure his gun in the trunk, okay?
Metro Police!
Oh, fuck, man.
Echo 781.
21 Charles, 20 boy. Can you reconfirm the apartment?